Purple SERIE Poly Nails Gel. Vrenmol Poly Extension Gel Kit promotes nail extension and ideal nail enhancement kit to do builder nails. Poly Nails Gel Set comes with 6 PC's most charming solid, glitter and cat eye poly nails gels and 1 * double-headed 3D magnetic stick in a nice box. Glitter, sparkling and cat eye poly builder nail gels are optional for you to DIY more fashion style at any occasions, anniversary, wedding, dating and etc. Convenient, easy to use, Vrenmol Poly Nails Gel used as nail enhancement and builder nail gel is dry that you can cure the nails on front side back side, each side for 60s, under the UV LED nail lamp. The nail extension gel needs slip solution, no included, to make Poly Nails Gel be picked and form smoothly on nail or dual forms, preventing the nail builder nail gel sticking to the brush or other gel nail polish tool. Quality guarantee, long-lasting. Vrenmol Poly Nails Gel is made of non-toxic and harmless ingredients, low odor, color-resistant, shiny-resistant and last for around 3 weeks with proper application. No chips or smudges, not peeling off easily. Trust Vrenmol, we provide the best products as well as the most fashionable colors and styles for you to be a queen of any occasions. Flexible, strong. This flexible poly extension gel makes it harder than normal builder nail gel. The Poly Nails Gel makes nail enhancement realized and make nails stronger compared with natural nails. Vrenmol exclusive Poly Nails Gel Set is your best choice to do your charming and trendy nails extension. Lovely after service. As a valuable Vrenmol customer, we sincerely hope that you can be completely satisfied with our products. If you have any questions, please contact us directly. We guarantee quick replacement or refund service. Love you all of our customer and hope you get lucky and happiness every day. Top reviews from the United States. Super easy, worth the $. It's really easy to use. I'm super lazy and always give up halfway through one hand when I'm doing dip nails or acrylics, but this is so much faster. It looks way more natural and makes all of them pretty even.